Hello everybody. Today I got the BestMow T100. It's a robot on every lawn. This one's from BestMow. Comes with all kinds of accessories. It up to 6,000 M2 1.5 acres. And then let's turn it upside down. It's a wireless intelligent robot for the lawnmower. As you see, you got your amp here. You could actually download the amp. It's got for Android and for iOS. This is a T100. It also shows you what it has. So let's look around what it's got. I think I saw it on the other side. Yeah, it's back here. Okay, here we go. So this one comes with the auto charging. Okay, here we go. We open it up. Let's see what it's got in here. Wow, look at this. I love this. This is like and the paper is good on this. Like I said, it comes with you download the charging. Here's the robot. And here's where you this is where you kind of charge it. It's got charging power adapter. It's got 4 screws. See all that? And it's got a timer and everything. So they give you this form, which is beautiful. And here's the number you could call for support, installation. Here's the bestmow.com. You could follow them on YouTube at bestmow, tiktok.com at bestmow, and facebook.com at bestmow, and Instagram. And here's a mapping obstacles, amp driven map mode. As you can see all this stuff, we're gonna try that out. Here's a dragging map over on your phone, how this is gonna actually work when you drag it around the area, and how it's gonna detect everything. It even gives you a measurements from the top of the paper. Pretty neat. Then you have another one. I guess this is the antenna. The stuff that you're gonna need for preparing this stuff: a drill, expansion tube, and some screws, and the accessory for the antenna. And then you have the installation process where you could put it outside of your house. I'll show you all that when we're done. And then we turn this around. It tells you like the feet around the ground, how far away from the antenna it's supposed to be. 17 feet across. It's got to be straight forward up. Can't be sideways, the antenna. And that's the installation process. And this is the amp configuration. And again, if there's some problems, you can call BestMow. It's got the support and very good customer service. Okay, we're gonna put this aside. This is, I believe this is the platform where it charges. And here's the accessories. You got a screw. They give you screws. The wire cable for charging. Here's the pulley where you pull the actually where you level it and pull the lawnmower. Pretty neat. This is the antenna, as you can see. Here's more accessories. This is the charging. And this is the pole for the antenna. So let's take this out. Give me a second. So here's the best mode. It looks awesome. I'm gonna get close so you guys can look at it. Look at how it looks. It's got the stop signal here. We're gonna end up charging this. Look at this. Oh my god, beautiful. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and put this together, get everything set, and we're gonna launch some more. We're gonna do some launching outside so you guys can see what it does. But it looks so nice and beautiful. Stay tuned. So here's a charging port. I connected it and it's working perfect. Here's the BestMow doing its job. It works perfect. It's been cutting out the grass. It's working beautiful. As you can see, it's cutting the grass. You can hear the engine. Well, not an engine, it's electric. It's got small electric blades. BestMow has some great devices. Go and get your lawnmower electric. It works perfect for your lawn. And when it's done finishing, it actually will charge back to the station, but it's doing its work perfectly. I'll put the description, the links, and you get one at BestMow. Stay tuned.